Hey everyone, welcome back to Scrubs and Study. Today, we're diving into the skeletal system, the structural framework of your body. If you're a med student, biology enthusiast, or just curious about how your body works, this is for you. Segment 1, Introduction to the Skeletal System. The human skeleton has 206 bones, grouped into two main divisions, the axial skeleton and the appendicular skeleton. Let's break them down in the simplest way possible. Axial skeleton. The axial skeleton forms the central axis of the body and includes skull, protects the brain. Vertebral column, supports the spine. Thoracic cage, ribs and sternum, protects the heart and lungs. Total, 80 bones. Let's take a closer look at the skull. It's made up of cranial bones, 8, and facial bones, 14. Cranial bones include frontal bone, 1, parietal bones, 2, occipital bone, 1, temporal bones, 2, ethmoid bone, 1, sphenoid bone, 1, in the facial bones include nasal bones, 2, zygomatic bones, 2, cheekbones. Maxilla, 2, upper jaw. Mandible, 1, lower jaw. Palatine bone, 2, lacrimal bone, 2, inferior nasal conchae, 2, vomer, 1. Each bone has a unique role in protection, structure, and function. Next up, your vertebral column, or spine. It's made up of 26 vertebrae in adults, divided into regions: cervical 7 vertebrae, neck region, thoracic 12 vertebrae, upper back, attached to ribs, lumbar 5 vertebrae, lower back, sacrum 1 bone, fused from 5 vertebrae. Coccyx 1 bone, fused from 4 vertebrae. Fun fact, babies are born with 33 vertebrae, but as we grow, some fuse together, especially in the sacrum and coccyx, to form the 26 bones of the adult spine. Now let's talk about the thoracic cage, your body's natural armor that protects vital organs like the heart and lungs. It consists of 12 pairs of ribs, 1 sternum, the flat bone in the center of your chest. These ribs are categorized into 3 types. True ribs, 1 to 7, these attach directly to the sternum via their own costal cartilage. False ribs, 8 to 10, these attach indirectly to the sternum, they're connected through the cartilage of the 7th rib. Floating ribs, 11 to 12, these have no anterior, front, attachment at all, they end freely in the muscles of the back. Now let's explore the appendicular skeleton, the part that helps you move. It includes upper limbs plus pectoral girdle, lower limbs plus pelvic girdle. Total, 126 bones. Now let's break down the upper limb, the part that gives us movement, grip, and strength. Here's what it includes: shoulder girdle, 2 bones on each side, clavicle, collarbone, scapula, shoulder blade, total equals 4 bones. Arm bone, humerus, the long bone of the upper arm. Forearm bones, radius, on the thumb side, ulna, on the little finger side, hand bones, 27 bones per hand, carpals, 8, wrist bones. Metacarpals, 5, palm bones. Phalanges, 14, finger bones. Wrist bone mnemonic, some lovers try positions that they can't handle. Scaphoid, lunate, triquetrum, pisiform, trapezium, trapezoid, capitate, hamate. Now let's explore the lower limb, the foundation of support and movement in our body. Pelvic girdle, hip bones, 2 bones. Femur, the longest and strongest bone. Patella, kneecap, tibia and fibula, lower leg. Foot bones, 26 per foot. Tarsals, 7, metatarsals, 5, phalanges, 14. Tarsal mnemonic, tiger cubs need milc. Talus, calcaneus, navicular, medial intermediate lateral cuneiform, cuboid. Now let's go to quick recap. Axial skeleton equals 80 bones, consists skull, spine, ribs. Appendicular skeleton equals 126 bones, consists of limbs plus girdles. Total equals 206 bones that keep you standing, walking, and living. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more content on anatomy and biology made super simple.